up, guys? We're in Kansas right now. We're going to Iowa. We have like 2 hours to go.
I'm not walking too fast where the tree is up there.
You want me to walk around? What's up, guys? We're turkey hunting. We're in the ground right. They're right behind us, gobbling. There's a turkey right there. I was with my family, Dad. So
Scared
I
of
wasn't
moving.
filming
So the deer are
in just a minute. So we're getting out right now. Dad, I need to go pee. Guys, we still have to be quiet. So we're in the back. We got out of it. We got Dad. We're getting your mom back. So fast. If you guys don't remember, we're in Iowa. Yeah, so yesterday we were right here, but we're in the trees. So we walked back here. I wanted to shed hunt. There was 5 turkey over there, and you scared them off, and one was a gobbler. So you know, guys, we're using our like hot gear because it's cold in Iowa right now. So guys, if you stop filming sometimes, we're deleting some of my SD card. Guys, it's sleeting right now in Iowa.
Look at this. You can see it coming down. Gun dog get to finalize his trip. We did just try to smoke a turkey, and as we're trying to set up a trail camera, but don't see any sign of a dead bird. Huh?